Get excited about the 2018 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power seats. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.